Learning Spanish in Cordoba has been great because the people are very nice.
Ucoidiomas ではたくさんの学生がいるので、スペイン語だけでなく他の言語も学べます。
Cordoba will always have a special place in my heart.
Ucoidiomas 是一个很好的项目，在这里我可以学习西语、历史以及游览很多地方。
Studying here in Cordoba has been the perfect opportunity to immerse myself into Spanish culture and to learn the language.
I wouldn't have wanted to do my study abroad experience any other way. Cordoba will forever have a piece of my heart.
Hola! I have studied Spanish in classrooms for 6 years, and I have learned more in 1 month here in Cordoba.
I love being in Cordoba because the city has such a rich culture and history.
There's never a dull moment in Cordoba. There's something about taking classes and learning in Spanish that just makes you fall in love with the subjects and cities.